You're welcome to the forecast. We've seen an increase in the frequency of rains within the past few days. We expect this to increase within the coming days. And so we advise inhabitants to clear the drains around your environment to allow for the free flow of rainwater, reducing the propensity of flash flooding. For the rest of Friday, we expect a rather quiet day over much of the southwestern part of the country, just areas around Edo to the west, where we expect prospects of isolated thunderstorms, which will come later in the day, as prospects of thunderstorms are quite rare for the southern part of the country, reaching to Edo, like I said, the southeast, and over the high grounds of the central state, speaking about the Federal Capital Territory, parts of Plateau State, Nasarawa, southern parts of Kaduna. There are prospects of thunderstorms extending to parts of Niger State. Taraba area should also see a few thunderstorms within the evening hours, and probably the southern part of Adamawa State. Up north, we expect that region to also be quiet. Nothing much is expected, just cloudiness and some sunshine intervals. And for at the end of Friday, the temperature outlook, we see a situation where maximum temperature should hit 44 degrees Celsius over parts of Sokoto and Kebbi in the northwest. To the northeast, Borno should hit 45 degrees Celsius. To the central states, the Federal Capital Territory should have a maximum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, while we expect 35 over Lagos and 36 over Port Harcourt in Rivers State. And for the air quality, it's expected to be good over most parts of the country, except for parts of the northeast, where we expect slightly unhealthy conditions over that region. As we get into day 2 of our forecast, speaking about Saturday, we expect the north to still be somewhat quiet, mostly cloudy conditions with sunshine intervals should prevail throughout the entire Saturday. To the central state, we expect increased cloudiness. We've seen prospects of some accumulated energy over the central states, and so we expect a buildup of weather over this region with prospects of thunderstorms, mostly in the afternoon and towards the evening hours. We expect that to affect parts of Taraba, Nasarawa, the Federal Capital Territory, Plateau State, southern parts of Kaduna. We expect Niger to also see some of these thunderstorms, and we expect these thunderstorms to affect areas to the south, Benue State, Kogi, the inland areas of the southeast, the south coastal parts, and parts of the southwest, even though the rains to the southwest are expected not to be that much compared to other parts of the south and region. And for maximum temperature for day 2, we expect maximum temperatures to dip slightly, and so we expect temperatures over Sokoto to be around to hit 41 degrees Celsius, 44 to Borno to Maiduguri in Borno State. We expect 36 over the Federal Capital Territory. We expect 34 to Lagos and 35 to Port Harcourt in Rivers State. For the air quality on this day, we still expect good air quality over most parts of the country, except for the northern region, where we expect slightly unhealthy conditions. And for the last day of our forecast, speaking about Sunday, we have prospects of cloudy conditions and sunshine intervals over the northern part of the country. So the northern part of the country is expected to see much rain within the next 2 to 3 days. Down south, we expect prospects of isolated thunderstorms to affect the central region and parts of Taraba, southern Adamawa. We expect thunderstorms to the southeast, the coastal parts of the southeast, and a few thunderstorms to parts of the southwest. For temperatures, we expect temperatures for this day to hit 43 degrees Celsius over Borno. That's the maximum temperature. Should be around 38, 39 over Kebbi and Sokoto axis. For the Federal Capital Territory, expect maximum temperatures to be around 36 degrees Celsius. And for Lagos, we expect 35 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius over Port Harcourt in Rivers State. These temperatures are not too bad because they won't give us much discomfort as one would expect. And for the air quality, we expect air quality to still be good over most parts of the country, and for the north, slightly unhealthy conditions are expected. Thank you for watching.